Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another healthy, delicious dessert, and we are making molten chocolate lava cakes. They're paleo, free of refined sugar, and delish, and it was also highly requested. So this is everything you're going to need. It is only 7 ingredients. I'm starting off with some dairy-free and sugar-free chocolate chips, and I'm just putting that into a bowl. And then I'm going to be adding in some coconut oil. So this is going to help create the molten part of the center and also help just to make it really decadent. Coconut oil is a great medium chain triglyceride. You guys know I use it in a lot of my cooking because it's just so great for your gut and for metabolism and everything like that. For the base, I'm using some flax, which is going to add fiber, along with cacao, which is rich in antioxidants, a little bit of vanilla for some flavor, as well as 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm adding in a pinch of salt because salt really helps to bring out the cacao and the chocolate flavor. It's kind of like a little secret thing when making anything chocolatey. Add a pinch of salt and it's going to bring out the chocolate that much more. So you're going to need 1 egg and then 1 egg yolk. I haven't done this with flax eggs. I'm not sure how it'll work because it is the egg that really helps to create the molten middle. So add in the 1 egg and then the 1 egg yolk, and I'm just whisking that together with my mixer. You can definitely done it by hand. I've tested both with the mixer and by hand, and they turn out pretty much the same. But this day I just did it with my beater. So whichever one you prefer, just do that until it gets nice and smooth, and then add in our chocolate chip with our coconut oil mixture into that. And then you're going to be blending that once again until we get a nice smooth batter. So this batter is honestly super easy and quick to make, which is nice because with molten cakes you can't really make them in advance because then they won't be as soft and gooey and runny in the middle. So this is something you can definitely whip up super quick, which is nice. I am separating this into 3 different ramekins that we're going to fill 3/4 of the way full. So if you want to do more than 3, I would either double this recipe. But with molten cakes, because they're running in the center, if you make them too much in advance or you make too many, if you reheat it, you run the risk of having them not be molten in the center. So if you are going to reheat them, I have done it successfully. I did it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit when I was reheating them and did that for about 20 minutes. For the first cooking, we are going to cook it at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, basically until you notice the edges are kind of set and cooked, but the center is still soft. So then you're just going to be able to dig your fork in, and guys, look how molten and gooey the middle is, but it's cakey on the outside because it cooked a bit quicker on the outside first, and it was super delicious. The perfect treat. You won't even miss the fact that it doesn't have refined sugar. You can't even believe that it's gluten-free, it's grain-free, and all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy dessert. If you make it, don't forget to tag me, and I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.